Homework was there. Being tired. And leave. What happened? This one is keeping only. What happened? Huh? You don't have school also, na? You no school, na? Home also sleeping only. What did you do at home? What studying? Who is studying? Fight with mommy. Mommy is then studying. Yes. Somebody is working. Namaste. What was the homework? Nobody is telling us that. Who sang that? Plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. All construction you are getting. Everyone, those are not getting. Plus root 3, you are not there. Plus root 3 is opposite side is 2 minus root 3. That you are not. Where is Rajni? Each washroom. You are not. Why did you speak to the line? Sharpen the pencil. Sharpen pencil. With that, I don't know you. Huh? Huh? Where is human? 4.9, what is the problem? You don't know. Huh? Activity, not getting. Should have drawn now. Okay. You read where is the construction there? This is 4.9. Where is the scale? Yes. With that. What happened? What happened? Jumping or na? From where? Yeah. Why is the 27? Who put 27? Are you okay? At least 22 good now. That is why. Yes. Why you are standing all good now? Common none now. Sit down. Okay. Yeah. He was not shared over here. What is it? Okay. Yes, somebody got, somebody not getting, somebody getting, not getting. Tell now, what is the problem? You got everything? Huh? So you know how to draw root 3? Do you know how to draw root 3? Doesn't know. Aditi did not help only. Look here. Quickly. These latecomers later we will discuss. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, first is coming as what? 2 plus root 3 means where you have to draw perpendicular at 3. You draw perpendicular over here and over here. 1 unit. Okay. Then join it. Okay. This is root 2. If you want to draw perpendicular here, you can draw perpendicular. Take 1. This is root 3. Understood? From here, cut the. This is called, this point is called 2 plus root 3. You come down to the opposite side and getting this point. This is P is 2 plus root 3. P is 2 plus root 3. Opposite side Q. Q Q is 2 minus root 3. That is the base. 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Understood? 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 Okay, yours root 3. You are late now, don't worry. Okay, what is the problem? You have 4.9 problem solved. What was the problem? When has it? So same thing now. If you have spiral method, you got this is root 3 now. Opposite side. You open that x into the other side. Not the. From 2 now, you have to draw that 2 plus root 3 now. Opposite side rotate. That is called 2 minus. Understood or not? Plus root 3 means right side. Minus root 3 means left side. Okay now? Chalo. Done. AC was on. 27 was the AC. You keep the AC 27 and then you keep. Now it will be okay. Yeah, okay now. Chalo, listen now. Now, last class we heard about rationalizing, simplifying, and all we were discussing. Oh, so we will start discussing. Yes, my dear. That's it. Later we will discuss for you, okay? Don't worry. Yes, Aditi. All fine. So looking at the. No problem, no? Shraddha. Any problem? One, this man, Raman, any doubt? Okay. Now, last class we were discussing about simplification. Before going to do this, look here. Some more. Do you know what is the root of a whole square? What is the root of a whole square? Is equal to a. What is cube root of a whole cube? A. Do you know what is the meaning of root a? A raised to 1 by 2. What is the meaning of cube root of a? A raised to 1 by 3. Okay, understood or not? These all note down. These also note down so that you know there is no confusion. After that, put 2-3 things more I have to tell you. This one is searching for a pen. No, what is searching for? Peaceful. Oh, full of lot of things are there. Green finger pen. Button. Completed. Bharat. Sir. Did you write? Yes, sir. I will go to the next one then. Look. Bharat, what is root 2 plus root 2? Oh. Huh? What is root 2 plus root 2? Oh, no. What is root 1? 4 is 4. Root 4. What is root 2 plus root 2? I don't know. Hey, look here. What is 1 apple plus 1 apple? Root 2 means 1 root 2. Root 2 means 1 root. 1 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is how much? 2 root 2. Can you write this on root 4? You cannot write root 4. Can you write root 2 plus root 3 is equal to root 5? True or false? False. This is wrong. Okay. Do you know what is 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2? How much? 8 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. How much? It's all things simplification. It's all simplification, you should know it. Okay. Now, do you know what is root 18? Which one? Do you know what is 3 minus 2? What is 3 minus 2? So what is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2? 1 root 2. 1 root 2 is a 1 root 2. Understood or not? Okay. No. Do you know what is 3 minus 2? 1. What is 3a? She's hiding. What is 3a minus 2a? 1a. That is a. Understood or not? 3 root 2 minus. Hope you got it now. Aditi got it? Yes. Now, why return question? That nobody is telling. Root 18. He's searching the root. And it's not there. He resolved. This root 18 can be written as root of 9 into 2. You know what is the root of 9? 3. Are you followed? Make into the perfect square product of it. Root 12. Let's see. Root 4 into 3. How much? 2 root 3. Hope you got it? Yes. Root, let's say 24. Four into 6. Yes or no? Therefore, how much? 2 root 6. Root 20. 4 into 5. 2 root 5. Root 25. 5. It's equal to 5.
Sir, so is it compulsory for numbers like 4 and 5 to come in the first place? Rather
Root 30.
6, 5 and 6.
But what you can do? You cannot do anything now. 5 is not a perfect square. 6 is not a perfect square. This cannot be simplified. Now you got your answer.
Sir, but you can't write 2 into 9.
2 into 9 is the same thing only now. We are writing as 2 into 9. What is it? Root of 9 is 3. Yes or no? Both the ways are same thing only. Okay. Hope you got it. Everyone. Wait. Gurpreet Singh. Gurpreet na? Okay na? When I met you at 4 o'clock, we are so happy with it now. What happened? Then I what? Okay. Chalo. Okay na? This on simplification, no problem. Okay. Among this one, which are irrational numbers? All are irrational numbers. Okay, later don't take it. No. This is an irrational number. This is an irrational number. This is an irrational number. Check the answers. This is an irrational number. This is an irrational number. No, that's a rational number. This is an irrational number. Yes or no? Yes. We did know last class root of this one. Whenever root of perfect squares are there, it becomes rational. Okay, now the first thing is you have to identify. Then we will do the rationalizing part. Okay, so this one, root of 50. Root of 50, how do you simplify? If any square is present over here, if you don't know, factorize only you can do. 25 into 2. That is equal to 5. Is it 5 root 2 is irrational? Yes or no? Yes. You remember in last class we studied now? If A is rational and B is irrational, then what is that? A plus B, A minus B, A B, A upon B. All of them are irrational. You studied or not? So this is 5 into root 2. One is rational, one is irrational, product is irrational. Hope all of you followed now? Okay, exercise take. Then wherever questions coming, I will explain. Comparison is lying out here. Begin the exercise. Okay. Is it okay? Fine. Fine now. Hello. 1.4. Read the first question, my dear JD. Rajdeep.
Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational.
Classify the following number is rational or irrational. Why pass one day? See this one. Let's see. First one. 2 minus root 5. What is the answer?
Yes.
Irrational. Reason. That's what is it? Behind it is given. What did he tell? Raju, what is the reason? What did you tell the reason, Raju? Because A is rational,
B is irrational.
very good. Therefore, A minus B is irrational. If they ask you to write the reason, you write. Otherwise, not. Okay, understood or not? Second one, the reader. What is your name? Huh? Neha. N-E-H-A. Read the second question. First question all done. Classify first question, second part. You did everything? Did you do everything? So read the next part.
3 plus 2 minus
3 plus root 2.
in brackets
In bracket minus root 23. How will you simplify it first? Can you write it's irrational? First, not taking root, first you remove the bracket. 3 plus root minus root 23. These two cancel is equal to 3. Now is it rational or irrational? Rational. Are we following or not? I didn't tell her these people are first class no, sir, yes, sir. Slide, please. Next one, you. Read the next question. Read the question means rational.
2 into root 7
2 to root 7.
divided by 7 into root 7.
7 root 7. This into is given. Or this way is given now. How will you read? 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. You can cancel something. 7 is cancelled.
root 7.
Root 7 cancel. What is left out? 2 by 7. Answer is what? Rational. You have to show how did you get. Don't simply write rational. Rational. Yes or no? Shriya. Read the next part.
1 upon root 2.
1 upon root 2. What is the answer? Directly you can write now. Irrational. Rational upon irrational is irrational. Yes or no? Yes. Next one. Here. Gurpreet.
5.
2 pi. Answer. Irrational. Why pi is irrational? Pi is irrational means 2 pi is irrational. Hope all of you followed.
Yes.
Done. Next one. More are there? This man is waiting. Do it fast. Go ahead. Great. I think don't do black color, blue color, red color. Forget to write fast. It will take a lot of time now. We should do. Okay? Will not be. Second question. Good. Read now. Simplify each of the following. Okay, first question. Read. 3 plus root 3. Times 2 plus root 2. Is it or not? This is the way now. So how do you simplify? We remove the bracket. Do you know how to remove the bracket? How do you remove? 3 times 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 times 2 plus root. How much? 3 into 2. 6 plus 3 root 2. Plus this is how much? 2 root 3 plus root 6. Check the step. This man Gurpreet is looking like this only. Are we following anything? Sure. Next question I am making to do it on the board. Gurpreet Singh. He is looking. Are right fast. Can you add anything? Check. Can you add anything? Nothing, all are different now. So you cannot absorb. Complete. Okay. Next, here, this boy. This is the next one.
Bracket 3 plus root 3
3 plus root 3.
multiplied by bracket 3 minus
3 minus root 3. How to solve? Simplify. Tell.
so we have to open the bracket.
How do you open the bracket? Tell.
So 3 into
This is of the form A plus
B, A minus
Do you have an identity?
yes,
What is A plus B? Do you have minus B?
A square minus
So apply na. A square means how much? 3 square minus.
3.
So what is 3 square?
9 minus
9 minus 3 is how much? It's easy now. If what is a bracket opening also, you will get the answer. There is no problem. But this is easy. What do you think? Okay, no? Naman. What Naman? Namo. Over. That all of you? Yes. Next question. Who is not read? Next person. Mr. Here. Bharat. He did not read anything. He's sleeping.
Root 5.
Root 5.
A bracket root 5 plus
Bracket root 5 plus
root 2.
root 2. So root 5 plus root 2 all square. Bharat explain how to do.
Usual identity.
What is that? X. Naughty. I will give you sit over here. Hello. Al. What is the L.
So
Identity.
B whole square is equal
A
to
plus B whole square is what is the identity?
A square
A square.
plus 2AB square.
So is equal to root 5 whole square plus 2 times root 5 into root 2. Dot means multiplication plus root 2 whole square. You have to write what is the identity used.
A square.
A plus B whole square is equal to. All of you know now? Should I write? No. Which is equal to 5 plus 2 root 10 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is how much? 7 plus 2 root 10. Can you simplify further? Hope all of you followed. Aji, no. Following or not? Or difficult? Not difficult. Oh. All of you do the next one. Yourself do. Shreya followed. Who's Shreya? Followed or not?
Yes.
Next one, all of you. Got the next answer? What is the answer? How many we got 3? One is sitting laughing, he didn't get the answer. Who's Shreya? What are you doing? All of you, what is the question? Root 5?
Root 2.
I was seeing you people doesn't know. All of you got the answer. Oh, smart people. What are these dancing girls? equal to how much? 5 minus 2. All of you got the answer now? Simple, easy. Neha, all okay now? All following? Not difficult now? Not tension now? Okay, don't worry. Doubt. I tell now what is your problem? Okay, chalo. Aditi, read the next question, Aditi.
Of a circle that is 5 equals to c by d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How do we resolve this contradiction?
Have you followed what is the meaning of the question? Do you know what is pi? What is pi? Pi is
the ratio.
ratio of circumference to the diameter. Ratio of circumference to the diameter is pi. Now, that means it is of the form P upon Q now. Remember this one. So it is P upon Q means C is the circumference and D is the diameter. Yes or no? Now, look here, but we have studied what is pi. Pi. What is pi? Pi is which type of number? Irrational number. The approximate value of pi is 22/7. It is not exact. Pi is an irrational number. And we know that what are irrational numbers? Numbers which are not rational or numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of. Then why? How can you write pi is equal to C upon D? Then what is irrational? The word is. Once I said no, she said I will measure the circumference. Circle circumference can you measure? Who said? She said I will measure. No. Can you measure the length of the circumference? Is there any device to measure the circumference? You cannot measure the circumference. So this C is an approximate value. That is why pi is irrational. P by Q means what is the meaning of P by Q? P and Q are integers. D is an integer we can make, but C cannot be made into an, it's an approximation. Understood or not? Are you followed? What is the reason you will write? Here, C is the, so right now, we know that pi is equal to C upon D. Pi is equal to C upon D. Written where C is the circumference. Where C is the circumference. Okay. Below right, we cannot measure the circumference. We cannot measure the circumference exactly. Or there is no device to measure the circumference exactly. Okay. Okay, therefore, next step, therefore, C is an approximate value only. C is an approximate value only. Written. That is, next line, that is C by D is an approximate value only. That is C by D is an approximate value only. Written, therefore pi is irrational number. Therefore pi is irrational number. This much is enough to write, okay? Main thing is we cannot measure the length of C. That much is written. Okay, next one. Who is reading next question? Nobody is reading, or I have to call one by one. That we are done already. You can, we are already done or you're not done? Done. So you can do yourself also. Yes or no? Exercise 1.4 we are doing. Acha, this you do it as homework. That is not done. Already done, so I don't need it. Okay, next question. A reader. Show that. Oh, rationalizing we are not studied. Okay. Okay. Listen all of you. It's an important question. This comes, if it is coming, you will make sure that this question will come in the exams. Okay. This we say rationalizing the denominator. If it is question, what is the question is given? What is the question? 1 upon
3 bracket 3 minus root 8
3 minus root 8.
brackets
Okay.
minus 1 upon root 8 minus root 7
My root 8 minus root 7. Then
plus 1 upon root 7 minus
root 7 minus root 6.
minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5
Root 6 minus root 5.
plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2
Root 5 minus 2
is equal to 5.
is equal to 5. This is the one you have to simplify. Look here. If you take 1 terms, first of all, 1 by 1 terms you have to simplify. Simplify called rationalizing the denominator. Do you know how to rationalize the denominator? Yes, how? Who is that, sir? We have to. You have to, if it is 3 minus root 8, how to rationalize means multiply and divide by 3 plus root 8. A minus B is, what is to be multiplied? A plus B. Understood? If it is root 6 minus root 5, what do you have to multiply and divide to rationalize? Root 6 plus root 5, then only the roots will go from the denominator. Are you followed? So what you have to do means, first thing is you have to prove that. Proving question, you have to write LHS. You know what you mean by LHS? What do you mean by LHS? Left hand side. LHS is equal to this one. Don't write RHS. Both the things do not write together. LHS. This we are going to simplify. 1 by 1 I am going to rationalize. Look here. This one. First one. 1 upon 3 minus root 8. Do you know what is to be multiplied and divided by 3 plus root 8? Stop writing and listen. Are you followed? If it is 3 minus root 8, what is to be multiplied? 3 plus root 8. You cannot multiply only one side. Both the sides you have to. Minus 1 upon root 8 minus root 7. What is to be multiplied and divided by? Root 8 plus root 7. And into root 8 plus root 7. If you want, you can put the brackets. Okay, there is no problem. Then plus, what is the next step? Root 7 minus root 6. What is to be multiplied and divided by? Root 7 plus root 6. And here, root 7 minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5. What is to be multiplied and divided by? Root 6 root 5 and upon root 6 plus root 5. This is the lengthy step. After that, things will be okay. Then plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2 times root 5 plus root 5 plus. This will not fit in your one line, so half I'll write in the next line. Now look, first I will write after that. This is 1 into 3 plus root 8 is 3 plus root 8. Okay. Denominator is what? A minus B, A plus B. What is A minus B, A plus B? A square minus B square. Hope all of you followed. Now, second one, minus in bracket root 8 plus root 7. What is of the form? A minus B, A plus B. What is A minus B, A plus B? A square minus B square. Then plus root 7 plus root 6 upon, what is the denominator? Nobody says. Root 7 long square minus root 6 the whole square. Minus root 6 plus root 5. Denominator. Root 6 the whole square minus root 5 the whole square. Plus root 5 plus 2. Denominator. Root 5 root square minus 2 square. It's the most important step. First, stop writing and listen now. This is 3 plus root 8. What is the denominator? 9 minus 8. Minus, what is the denominator? Check.
8 minus
8 minus 7 plus
7 minus
root 7 plus root 6. What is it again? 7 minus 6. Minus
minus 5.
root 6 plus root 5. 6 minus 5 plus root 5 plus
9 minus 4.
5 minus 4. What is the 9 minus 8?
1
All denominators are 1. So denominator is gone now. So then what is left out? 3 plus root 8. Now look, this minus means both will come minus. Minus root 8 minus root 7. This will plus means both will be same side. This is minus means both will be opposite side. This is plus means root 5 plus. You can see cancel. This is cancel. Or plus minus cancel. Plus minus cancel. What is left out?
3
3 plus 2, which is equal to 5, which is same as RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. This way you have to write the steps. I hope you all are followed.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So write down. Check the step. You have to redo. You have to study yourself. Okay. Once again, it's an important question. Lot of times it comes in the exam. It's either 4-mark question or 5-mark question. Without mistake. Whereas what is Rajiv is doing all the time? Good. Still you are feeling hot? Or it's reduced now? Become okay now? Or still hot? What Bharat is telling only some comments. What do you learn now? Which of is school? Completed. Please, when I do, you sit and copy. Now I'll erase and I'll make you to do on the board. Pakka. You can do it. I'm going to erase this one. You can do it on the board. Yes or no? Oh, Gurpreet Singh. Can you do? I'll make you do the Can you? When I explain, listen if I tell, not sit and after that. Going to take the 3 people to do after. Okay. Go through once again. Completed.
Yes.
Please go through the next question and you have to do it. No. I'm waiting. You put the bracket. You put the bracket now, no problem. Bracket is there or no bracket, no issue. Okay. Nobody is responding. Done.
Yes, sir.
Who is left out now? Not completed. I do fast now. Lot of time is taken. That's enough. She should be in the question city. Shraddha. Read the next question, Shraddha. Rationalize the denominator of two squares. 2 root 6. Minus root 5. 3 root 5. 2 root 6. This is the one now. All of you listen here. How will you rationalize? How will you rationalize? If it is a minus b, then what you have to multiply and divide by? A plus b. Remember, for binomial, what is the meaning of binomial? Two terms. If it is a minus b, what you have to multiply and divide by? A plus b. If it is a plus b, what you have to multiply and divide by? A minus. Understood, all of you? So, how will you rationalize? Yes, Gurpreet, tell. Okay, but tell what you have to multiply. First is 2 root 6 minus root 5 divided by 3 root 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay, into 3 root 5 divided by 3 root 5. All bracket you put. Okay, all of you. Then further, Rajni, what is the next step to write? Rajni. After that, you multiply. The numerator is write 2 root 6 minus root 5 multiplied by 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6. Denominator is of the form a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? Means a square means 3 root 5 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. Hope all of you followed. Okay. This we have to multiply. Yes, how to multiply? Numerator. Or I will keep the numerator one more step. 2 root 6 minus root 5 upon 3 times 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6. This is what is 3 root 5 whole square? What is 3 root 5 whole square? 45. 9 into square of 3 is how much? 9. Square of root 5 is how much? 5. So it is 9 into 5 minus 4 into 6. Now we will multiply. How do you multiply? 2 root 6 times 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6 minus root 5 times 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6. I hope all of you followed. 45 minus 24. This we have to multiply again. What will you get? 3. How much you will get? 3 into 2. 6 root 30. Then 2 into 2. 4 into root 6 into root 6. 6. Minus root 5 into 3 root 5. Minus 3 into 5. Again minus. Minus 2 into root 6 into root 5 is root 30. Divided by 45 minus 24 is 21. Hope all of you followed this step. Tell those who are not followed, raise the hand. I'll explain again. Which step you are not followed? This step is followed. Look now. See, not followed. This is followed.
Yes.
This is followed.
Yes, this is on.
This is followed.
Yes.
This is followed.
Yes.
This is followed. No. Look. 2 root 6 multiplied by this one. What is, how will you open A plus B into C plus D? How will you multiply? A multiplied by C plus D plus B multiplied by C plus D. Okay. So this multiplied this bracket minus root 5 multiplied by this bracket. Okay. That is the numerator. Denominator 9 5s are 45, 4 6 are 24. Clear all of you? Anyone still having a doubt here? Now men listen here. Now, how it is getting this one, that I am going to explain over here. Okay, how to do this one means the correspondingly 2 root 6 into 3 root 5. 2 3s are 6. Root 6 into root 5, root 30. 2 root 6 into 2 root 6. 2 2s are 4. Root 6 into root 6, 4 into 6. Hope you get it. Next, minus 3 into minus 3. Root 5 into root 5. Minus and minus. Minus and plus is minus 2. Root 5 into root 6. Root 30.
So we have to multiply the like term.
Like terms you will be looking at. What is root 2 into root 2? 2. What is root 2 into root 3? This is 2. This is root 6. Understood or not? That is simple logic. Now, okay now? Now look. What 6 root 30 minus 2 root 30, or if you want to write one more step, I'll write 6 root 30 minus 2 root 30. 4 6 are 24 minus 15 upon 21. How much? 6 root 30 minus 2 root 30 is how much? 4 root 30 plus 24 minus 15, 9 upon 15.
So can we simplify 900 to
921, can you cancel this way? Can you cancel this way? No. Okay. Right. If you generally we write a root term, that this also is answer, or if you want to write 9 plus 4 root term. If you want to write this way, as he said, divided by 21, or then you can cancel 3 by 7 plus 4 by 21 root term. This way you have to write. Aditi, what happened? Is it okay? Not followed. Neha followed. Shriya followed. Sure. Bharat followed. Gurpreet Singh followed. What is the name of the one? Ariman followed. Following now? Yes. Written. Right. Now, when this next class, I will take a test paper for this. Then not this way, okay? Check the steps. You need to practice these all. So these are important ones. This thing. Still very important. That's all. What branch? Is we are what happened to that? Don't make mistake, okay? Okay, write little one neatly here. Done. What happened? What happened out in there? Yeah, this boy following now. Daddy. Okay. That also you can write. Those who leave till here, there is no problem. Okay. This you can write final answer. This is not much calculations. You are right fast. Those who are completed, try to read and see what you find out. Mr. Singh. This side, all of you done? Hariman,
Yes.
read the next question.
Then x equal to 3 plus root 8, evaluate x square plus 1 upon x.
3 plus root 8. Can you find out what x square plus
1 upon
1? There are 2 ways you can do it.
So I did.
Hmm? Look now. This shall we do? First, I can find out what is x square. What is x square? 3 plus root 8 whole square. Yes or no?
Yes.
What is 3 plus root 8 whole square? A plus b whole square. 3 square plus root 8 whole square plus 2 into 3 into root 8. What is the identity which we use? A square plus b square plus 2ab. What is 3 square? 9 plus root 8 square 8 plus 6 root 8. How much is 9 plus 8? 17 plus 6 root 8. Hope all of you follow. This is the value of what? X square. Now I'll find out 1 upon x square. How will you get 1 upon 17 plus 6 root 8? What is to be done? What is to be done? Tell her loudly, correct. Rationalize. How will you rationalize? How will you rationalize? Rationalizing the multiplying by 70 minus 6 root 8 upon 70 minus 6 root 8. Okay. Now brackets I can put. Numerator will remain 70 minus 6 root 8. Denominator will come as what? A plus b, a minus b. What is that? A square minus
B square.
Okay now? Okay. Are relax? Chill, chill, chill. Okay, so what did you get this one? This is equal to 17 minus 6 root 8 upon. Do you know what is the 17 square? What is 17 square? Nobody knows. Homework. Remember the squares till 30. How many? 30. Okay. Remember 17 square, you know? From 289 minus. How much is 6 square? 6 square. 36. What is root 8 square? 8. That is 17 minus 6 root 8 divided by 289 minus 36 into 8. Who knows? 36 into 8. 36 into 8. Multiply, find out now. See.
Sir, 280.
288. Divided by 1 now. So you got 1 by x square. My Mr. Rajdeep Lister. What do you have to find out? Now you will ask me. What do you have to find out? X square plus 1 upon x square. What is the value of x square? 17 plus 6 root 8. What is the 1 upon x square? 17 minus 6 root 8. What all will can pick? 17 plus 17. Finish. Okay. Not doesn't like. Okay. Start. Tell them what is the confusion. I will explain now. These are important type of questions. Easy. I just see. I don't. Shraddha followed. Sure. Someone knows everything. This chapter is going in the school
Yes,
or something else.
This chapter.
Finish? Huh? Start settle. Test also so you practice it on, but still you are not able to do it. You do it. Okay, it's done. Huh? Answer. I think you started with lines. It's good. EAB card. Must be completed. That is not homework. All of you listen here. You will complete and go. This is a shortcut formula. If you know this formula, there is little more simpler way you can do it. Okay, this is not very complicated, little more simpler. What is your homework means? Today, whatever questions, I need all of you to do question 2, question 5, 4, 5, 6, 7 of classwork. Redo. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, redo. Okay, and homework exercise, question 1, 2, 3. Okay, these all redo and homework exercise question 1, 2, 3. That is all. Question 1, 2, 3. Okay. Chalo, bye. When I move on, first complete and then only go. No, okay. Third gone, pen over, everything done, not that. Complete it. Okay. Okay, Varan. Put it done.